Find dy on dx if for a we have y equal to cos x to the power 4, b we have x squared plus y squared equal to 16x. Take solution. A we have y equal to cos x to the power 4. For us to differentiate this function, we are going to make use of the chain rule. We are going to start by letting u to be equal to cos x. U is equal to cos x, then du all over dx will equal to, we differentiate cos x with respect to x, it gives us negative sine x. This is du on dx. Now if we take down y equal to cos x to the power 4, then our y in terms of u will simply give us u to the power 4. Then if we find dy over du, it is simply equal to 4u cubed. Now we know dy on du, we know du on dx, we can find dy on dx. Dy on dx will simply be equal to dy over du times du over dx. This will simply be equal to dy on du is 4u cubed times du on dx, which is negative sine x. I'll bring the negative sign in front. This will simply be equal to, we are going to replace u with the function of x. We know u is cos x. This will give us negative 4 cos x cubed sine x. Therefore, our dy on dx is simply equal to negative 4 cos x cubed sine x. This is a derivative of y equal to cos x to the power 4. We move now to b. We have to find dy over dx for x squared plus y squared equal to 16x. b x squared plus y squared equal to 16x. Differentiating the left hand side, the derivative of x squared is 2x plus, we are differentiating with respect to x. Remember, dx over dx is 1. Plus, we have to differentiate the y squared. This will give us, with respect to x, this will give us 2y dy all over dx is equal to, the derivative of 16x gives us 16. Next, we have to transfer 2x to the right hand side. Since we have to make dy on dx the subject of the formula, this will give us 2y dy over dx to be equal to 16 minus 2x. Next, we are going to divide both sides by 2y. Then our dy on dx will simply be equal to 16 minus 2x all over 2y, which is the same as saying dy on dx is equal to, at the numerator we can factor out 2 times 8 gives us 16, 2 times negative x gives us negative 2x all over 2y. The 2's will strike off. This will give us our dy on dx to equal to 8 minus x all over y. This is the derivative of x squared plus y squared equal to 16x. we are done with the differentiations. If in case you have any worries, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.